In this video, I will discuss 5 passive income ideas that you can start right now in 2024. And for each of these ideas, I'm going to talk about how easy or hard it is to get started and how easy you can start making money from it. For me, some of these passive income ideas are things that I'm currently doing, so I've tried them out and I can confirm that they are working out. So what is passive income? Passive income is a type of income that you earn regularly with little or no ongoing effort or direct involvement. It is the money that comes in even when you are not working actively. Unlike active income, that is the money that you earn through active work. That is maybe your 9 to 5 job or other work that you are doing actively. And this includes your wages, your salary, and any other incomes that you generate from actively working. Active income stops immediately when you stop working, and this is the major difference between passive income and active income, because passive income, you can actually be sleeping and making money, but active income stops immediately when you stop working. So it is actually tied to your time. So if you're that kind of person that you want to travel around the world and still be making money at the same time, then you should look into building passive income sources. So let's say you write an ebook about a skill or topic that you are very knowledgeable about, and once you've completed the creation of this ebook, you can now make it available for people to purchase or download it online. People can now buy this ebook at any time, either in the day or in the night, and from anywhere in the world. So you've done this work by creating this ebook once, but now anytime the ebook sells, you can now make money from it, and this is passive income. You could literally be making money when you are asleep or when you are on vacation, and this is because you've created something that is actually generating that income for you. So the idea of passive income is to be able to make money while you enjoy your freedom and be able to do things you enjoy doing. The passive income ideas I'm going to be discussing in this video are the best because they are easy to start and they don't require a lot of money when you want to start it, and they have the potential of generating a lot of money after a certain period of time. My name is Julius, and on this channel I make videos on how to make money both online and offline, how to invest, financial management, and every other things you need to navigate your road to financial success. If you're interested in things like this, kindly smash the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified whenever I upload a new video on this channel. Passive income source number 1 is affiliate marketing. I know you've heard of it many times, but you don't know how it works and how easy it can be. It is simply a technique where you promote somebody else's business or product, and on every sales that you refer, you get a commission from that sales. It is like being a middleman who connects people to products that they might like or need, and you get paid for making that connect. It is as simple as that. To be an affiliate marketer, the first thing you have to do is to join an affiliate program. This program is usually run by a company that sells products and services online. A lot of company offers affiliate programs, which include Amazon, Shopify, Jumia, eBay, Piggyvest, Bybit, and many others. After you've joined an affiliate program, you will get a special link that you can now put on your website or your social media, which include your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, and if you're a YouTuber, you can also add it to your YouTube posts. So when someone clicks on this link, they are redirected to the company website where they can now buy products, and after buying, the company will now pay you a certain percentage from the sales. Affiliate marketing is passive because you don't have to create any products or render any services. You don't have to deal with customer questions, shippings, or returns. The company handles all that. All you have to do is to post your links. You can earn while you sleep because once your links are out there, they continue to generate sales even when you are not promoting them. So basically, affiliate marketing is about recommending products to others, and you get paid for doing this. It is a win-win for you and the company that you are recommending. It is a way that this company will reach out to more customers and you make more money. I've been doing this for not so long and I'm making sustainable income from it, so I think you also should try it out. So how hard is it to get started? I'm going to give it a 1 out of 5 star rating because it is very easy to sign up for affiliate programs. And how hard is it to make $100 a month from this? So let's say you have a product of $100 and you are going to market this product and get a 5% commission from this product. That means that you need about 20 people monthly to buy using your link to be able to make $100. That might not come so easy. To get 20 people every month to use your link, you need to build an audience. So I'm going to give this 3.5 star out of 5 because you need an audience to be able to make that income passive. It is actually not difficult to build your own audience, and one of the ways to build an audience is to always create useful content and putting it out for free like once in a week. And if you keep doing this for a certain period of time, I can guarantee that you will be able to create your desired audience and make that kind of money or even more. I was able to make $70 from affiliate marketing in the last 2 weeks from just one company. So it is achievable to make $100 monthly, and you can even make more as time goes on. So let me quickly tell you about the sponsor of this video, asbtc.ng. ASBTC is a company that specializes in buying cryptocurrency and gift cards from every part of the world. ASBTC is a company that I've been trading with for quite some time now, and I can boldly say that I've never had any issues with them, from good rates to fast trade and quick payments. So you can reach out to them with the details on your screen whenever you have gift cards or cryptocurrency to sell. So let's get back to our main video. Idea number 2 for generating passive income is cryptocurrency. So what is cryptocurrency? In a simple term, cryptocurrency is a digital form of money that operates independently. You do not need to keep it in the bank because it is not physical. With proper knowledge of cryptocurrency, it can serve as a very good source of passive income. And there are various ways you can earn passively from cryptocurrency. And one of them is investing in cryptocurrency. This is actually my favorite, and it is also the simplest way to earn passively with crypto. All you have to do is to make little research on crypto that are still very cheap. Then you buy and hold it for a certain period of time until the prices increase. Then you can now sell it for profit. I have a video on this and you can check it out here or in the description below. And another way is by staking cryptocurrency. This is also very easy and less risky. All you have to do is to lock up your coin on a very trusted platform like Bybit, Binance, and many others. And in return, you will earn reward in form of additional coin. This process is similar to any interest on your bank account. But with staking, you can actually earn more profit. So how hard is it to start crypto? I'm going to give it a 2-star out of 5-star rating because it is something you can understand if you are interested and ready to learn about it. So once you understand, it is very easy to start it. How hard is it to make $100 every month passively from cryptocurrency? I will give this 1-star out of 5-star rating because if you have proper understanding of cryptocurrency, then it is very easy to earn $100 monthly from it. If you understand it to the extent of starting it, then you can definitely earn $100 every month from cryptocurrency. Idea number 3 for generating passive income is by selling digital products. These are products that you can create once, like an ebook, software, or something like that. You create it once and then you can sell it multiple times. And a very good example is this guy called Sales Jagabanda. I do watch his video very well on TikTok. He created an ebook for business owner for only 1,000 naira, and in few days he was able to sell 2,000 copies of this ebook. And you know what? More people will still buy this ebook because it has a lot of value. So all you need to do to generate income passively through this means is to create a digital product, then set up a sales platform where customer can purchase or download the product. And this could be your website or a third-party platform like Amazon, Skillshare, or any other platform. So how hard is it to get started making digital products? Well, anyone can write an ebook because an ebook also counts as a digital product. So I'm going to give it a 2-star out of 5-star rating because you can actually write an ebook with the help of ChatGPT and any other software. So it is important for you to make sure that your digital product offers great value because money is an exchange for value. And how hard is it to make $100 a month from this? It is very easy to create a digital product, but it is a different thing to get people to actually buy your digital product. The way you can get people to pay money for something is to identify a problem that they have, you create solutions to the problem, and now you charge money for the solution. If you can do these things, then you'll be able to earn $100 a month. So I'm going to give this a 2.5 out of 5-star rating. Idea number 4 to generate passive income is to create an online course. An online course is a sort of digital product, but basically online courses are in video format. It is not hard to make an online course. You just need to know how to make a video. So you can actually film an online course on a camera, iPhone, or an Android phone, depending on the type of gadget you can lay your hands on. Just set it up and teach something valuable or problem solving. You can share tips for beginners in your profession or your area of specialization. As a doctor, YouTuber, photographer, baker, or any other profession, you can create an online course for people that are just starting out in your profession to guide them through. It is not difficult to start creating an online course, so I'm going to give this a 2 out of 5-star rating. But to start making $100 a month, then you need to create a very good course because the only reason people will pay for it is if the course is really good. So if you put up your course on platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, YouTube, and other platforms, it is very possible to make $100 monthly from this passive income source. So I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5-star because you need some level of consistency to be able to achieve this. The world of online education is exploding so much, so I think you should jump on creating online courses if you have something valuable that you can teach. Idea number 5 for generating passive income is stock investment. Stock investment as a passive income strategy involves purchasing shares of publicly traded companies with the goals of generating incomes without actively managing the investment on a daily basis. And in return, you get dividends and capital appreciation. Dividends is the money company gives to shareholders from the profit that they made. This enables shareholders to earn passively and regularly depending on the company's growth. While capital appreciation is the increase in value of stocks holding over time. And this can occur due to factors such as company growth and market demand. Make sure to diversify your investment by putting your money in a variety of stocks across different industries and sectors. This helps you to reduce investment risk. So if one company stock is not doing well, then you can cover up your loss with the other ones. So how hard is it to start investing? I will give this 1 star out of 5 star rating because starting investments these days is now very easy, coupled with the fact that a lot of apps are now available to help you start investing from the comfort of your home. And how hard is it to start making $100 per month from this? I'm going to give this a 3.5 out of 5 star rating, and that's because this really depends on how much you can put into your investment. If you are looking for skills that can help you get very rich this year, then you should check out this video where I discuss these skills and where you can learn it for free. Like this video, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.